Well, yes, the experience has been absolutely incredible. If you just think of the musicians that have played on the CD, really of the country's top in their genre. And then, of course, brought together by Maestro Scott, who, yes, he does rule them with an iron hand. And I think one of the amazing things was just the magic between these players and how they upped each other's game because they just loved the material so much. There was music, and it was this feeling of wanting to do the best and serve the music was absolutely tangible. And I think that gives you a platform as an artist and like a bed of roses on which you can just go and put your voice. So I think in terms of backing and arrangements, I'm really excited. In terms of the songs, quite tricky to pick like 12 songs from the world's greatest in terms of jazz. I mean, you can have a short list of 250 with big band and jazz songs. So we whittled it down to about 25 songs. Then we had listening sessions, and eventually we got to about 18 that we sent all around to different companies and stuff. And these last 12 songs were chosen by the public as their favorites. And these are the ones that we've decided to do. Doing songs like these, it's that fine line between changing the song too much and singing it as it has been done before. So I think what I try to do is bring a touch of my experience with the musicals into the songs as well. So going back to the book, going back to the lyrics, and trying to find in there something that'll make the song a little bit different without necessarily changing the whole thing about the song. I find that very often a swing is great and you can just sit in the groove and just be on notes. But these lyrics are fantastic and they all tell a story. And to me, that's probably one of the most important things is that combination between the music and the lyric. So hopefully I'm doing justice to both.
Really can't stay.
But baby, it's cold outside.
I've gotta go away.
But baby, it's cold outside.
This evening has
Been hoping that you'd
so
drop
very
in.
nice.
I'll hold your hands, they just like
My mother
ice.
I'm really chuffed to have been asked by Andre to sing the song with him because 20 years ago, I performed with Andre in Pirates of Penzance, and I remember being madly in love with him because I just thought he was the most gorgeous creature I'd ever seen, and of course he is. But 20 years later, I get to sing Baby It's Cold Outside with him, so that's good enough for me.
Okay, it's just great fun in the studio. I think we had such a lovely rapport with a song such as Baby It's Cold Outside. Also because not only is Kate a great singer, but she's an actress. And she makes it work. I mean, he has a story of this guy that's desperate to keep this girl in his apartment. And she actually wants to stay, but she has to keep that little front. And I really think we managed to get through that.
I'm just really glad to have done it with him. It was great fun. He's lovely.
Songs like Bewitched and Making Whoopee, well, as far as I know, they normally duets. And I just thought, well, why not try and do them on my own? So, yeah, it was quite a nice journey. Also, Making Whoopee tells a story. I think one of the songs that I probably enjoy most is First Time Ever I Saw Your Face, because what we did is we didn't have any score, and it was just the musicians and myself, and we just found a midway of just making the song speak, because it really is one of the most beautiful love songs ever written. So, as Graham Scott said, to him it's like Zen-like. It's so clean and stripped of everything else. So I think for me that's going to be a bit of a favorite song. Original song, of course, a song written by Lionel Bastos called Heavens, You're One Hell of a Find. I mean, what a lovely line. I love the song. It's a gorgeous love song about love that has always been slightly soiled and a bit wrong and not always working perfectly. But hey, suddenly I found somebody that's really made it work. Things that normally go awry or normally go wrong suddenly is now fantastic. And so, yeah, heavens, you one hell of a find.
This is a dream, 'cause heavens, you're one hell of a find.
I think the basic idea of the shoot was to try and capture the mood of the era in which all the swing songs were written and performed. But I think also more so than that is just to capture the romantic mood of the songs as well, because most of them are love songs and they have love themes. So I think that's why, for example, on this set, they played off in that era as well. It's always wonderful to be in the hands of a photographer that knows what he wants to see and who gives you direction, because you are standing rather naked in front of a camera. So it's wonderful working with Clinton, because you know that picture in his head is something that he wants to realize and materialize. And yeah, hopefully that is something that you're going to be seeing as well.
Well, it was the first time working together with Andre. A very easy guy to work with. It's quite a challenging situation to balance your flashlights with the lighting in the theatre. So he was very patient and gracious while I was busy with all of that. And that was the important aspect, to capture the mood of an era bygone, to not be too harsh on the shots. I think that's what we were looking for. A man from 40, 50 years ago was a different creature to what we are today, and I think there was a soft elegance to those men without today's modern associations with more of a feminine elegance, a charm really, and that's what we got with Andre's shots today.
I mean, how fortunate to have the best songs, the best lyrics, a great producer, fabulous record company, great players, and it's all on my CD. So you better enjoy it.
Ocean hugs the shore, hold me close, sway me more.